CHZ most certainly faces obstruction at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. CHZ in a real sense acquired roughly 2.02% inside the buy and large most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20 in a huge way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the truly past week acquiring 6.53%, or so they generally thought. 18 September 2023. In this video we will walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time. Generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters. Is transient cost expectation for Chilliz, basically is CHZ a sort of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth in an especially significant manner. However, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the CHZ specialized examination, most certainly allowed us explicitly to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which certainly is very critical. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,081,454,289,783, or so they for the most part thought. The really complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $25,060,241,952. Pretty further appearance how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a by and large huge manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9%. Exhibiting how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time span, which in a real sense is very huge. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 1, and as of now exchanging at 50 cents. So market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,081,454,289,783, which fundamentally is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a fundamentally descending heading for essentially momentary in a sort of significant manner. Right now, a very broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which for the most part shows that however prior to plunging sort of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, generally let us fundamentally discuss the very current economic situations in a huge manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense shows that yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the CHZ specialized examination, fundamentally let us for the most part discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers by and large become move commonly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unpretentious manner. Following are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, truly is at $0.059, up 2.02% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 6.53% over the course of the week. showing that Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 27,703,595.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $440,144,914 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. There in a real sense are practically 7,401,879,905 basically are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 in a very significant manner. Chilliz Value Examination CHC Cost Investigation for 18 September 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, really made sense of underneath, showing how yet prior to jumping profound into the CHC specialized investigation, let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations in a significant manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Chilliz, which in every practical sense, shows that right now, a by and large broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 2.02%. Coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours in an essentially huge manner. The by and large relative strength file, RSI, for CHC coin fundamentally is as of now floating at 28, for 14 days certainly normal line, which especially implies CHC certainly is an oversold zone and a pattern certainly inversion explicitly is conceivable. Exhibiting how Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 18 September 2023, inside a very day-to-day time period, especially made sense of beneath, showing how yet prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the CHC specialized investigation, for the most part, let us sort of discuss the in every way that really matters. Current economic situations in an exceptionally enormous way. The Chilliz generally has in every practical sense. Break all its in every way that really matters, upholds levels and things in a real sense, are not looking essentially great for the crypto market, which for the most part, shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. Right now,